Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up my canal. So today I'm going to show you how to make another smoothie. Yes, this is like something that I always do. I really like to drink smoothie in the morning because I'm not really a breakfast person. So this is so good. So today the smoothie we're gonna make, I'm gonna use a banana, an avocado, strawberries, and hemp seed and pineapple with my cup of milk. So this is everything I'm using today. I'm just making smoothie for me and the little girl because she's at home with me. The other two kids, they're in school, so we're just home. One thing about smoothie, when you make smoothie, you don't need to keep it for like the next day. When you make it, try to drink it immediately. It's better than when you leave it to stand. When you make it, drink it immediately. So I try to make only the ones that I can finish. I don't make and keep it for the next day. So now I have washed all my ingredients. I have cut everything. Make sure you wash the banana and the avocado before ever you peeled it. Make sure you rinse everything. So now I've washed everything. I've cut everything. I've cut my pineapple. I've cut my banana, strawberries, and everything. So now it's time to blend. And hemp seed is so lot of vitamins, lot of omega 3 fatty acid, a lot of vitamins have MC. Do your own research. Do not only rely on my videos because sometimes I don't really know how to explain a lot of things in English because you guys know I live in the Netherlands. So a lot of things I know in Dutch and in English is kind of like crazy when you want to translate it back. But do your own research. I'm using all my fruits are organic. So yeah, everything are organic and I really love it. It's just so easy. This is so easy for me to like get all the vitamins in my body because if you put all those fruits in front of me and ask me to eat it, all of them I can't because it's too much. I can't. I will take for years before finishing everything in one day. That's just how I am. But like when I mix everything together, I get in a glass of cup. I'll drink it before you know everything is finished. And I really enjoy doing stuff like this. It's very good to take care of yourself from the inside, not only on the outside. I like to take good care of myself. I'm a foodie. I love food. I'm a food lover. So I'm a foodie girl. I love food. Like food and the kids is where most of my money goes to. So my money goes to food and the kids. So I always try to make sure the kids are good and my stomach is also good. Everything else we will manage. You understand? So now it's time to blend. I put my hemp seed. Gonna put my cup of milk in it. Yes, I always mess up whenever I'm putting the milk in. I don't know why, but I always get messed. But I clean immediately. One thing I also like, I like a clean space. So as I'm blending, I'm cleaning. That's the same thing when it comes to cooking. As I'm cooking, I'm cleaning. In the kitchen, Now these days, when you're a mom, you just try to ignore some dirty stuff because sometimes when the kids will mess up the living room, they will mess things up, and I'll be like, you know what I mean? Count from 1 to 10, just ignore because trust me, you get really mad. But when you have kids, what can you do? Sometimes I'm learning to ignore, but like in my kitchen space, it has to be clean. So now we're going to blend everything. It blends really smooth, and I love this blender. I'm so happy I picked this up. I picked this blender from the Bopentonel. And I really like it. It came in a 3 sets. You have the one, this is the big one, you have the small one, and you have another one, which is three. So mostly when I'm home, I'm trying to make smoothies. I use the big one because then I make for the entire family. But today was just me and the little girl, so I do have a lot to drink. So it was okay. It was good. She loves it. She loves it. Like my daughter, she loves smoothies. The kids love it because it's something I always do. Like when it comes to good food, I always make sure we eat good food. There's a good food in the house. I cook good food. I'm a very good cook. Let's just say that I'm a very good cook. So yeah, we leave everything to blend, just clean everything up, and now everything is blending. It's time to turn this in a cup. So because the kids are not at home, it's just me and the little girl. I'm going to use a bigger cup today. Yes, I'm gonna use something big, and the little girl, she also gonna get more. and this is very, very healthy. So this is my smoothie. This is like second recipe. I have a lot more. So, in how I live in Holland, so our fruit season, we don't have like every fruit throughout the year. Every fruit has its own season. So like there's season for like different fruit. But I try to buy as much as I can. And maybe one of these days I'll take you guys to the organic store and show you guys the fruit that I always buy and show you guys how the organic store is, the fruit section. I'll take you guys there and show you guys, but you guys can see everything is looking so thick. It's delicious. It was very, very delicious. I love it. And trust me, a cup of that. And then after that, I'll still eat breakfast. I'll still go and eat my breakfast later on. And so I have like enough vitamins in me. So, and trust me, if you want to gain weight, this is a very good weight gain smoothies, because all this, you think when you are eating healthy, you lose weight. No, when you are eating healthy food like avocado, banana, hempseed, like all of those things have really, really good vitamins, but they give like healthy fats. It's not like when you eat food from the McDonald's, that's a different fat. But this one, they're like healthy fats, so it really makes you gain weight little by little. So yeah, guys, I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram at AMIFULLEST, and also on my Facebook at AMIFULLEST. So follow me and let's chat and tell me what you guys think, and tell me what is your favorite smoothie recipe. Do you guys make smoothies? Do you have like a recipe? Maybe I can try some different fruits. Hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again, and I hope to see you guys